So guys, let me introduce myself before starting the class. Okay, I'm Shirisha. 7 years of experience, 7 plus as a Power BI developer. Okay, last 7 years I'm working completely onto the Power BI. Okay, that's main skill set. So I'm currently working as a one of the BI lead. Okay, product based company. Okay, so right now I'm going to give you intro about the Power BI. Okay, so what is Power BI? Why we need to learn Power BI? What is the advantages of learning Power BI? Okay, how the market trend if we learn Power BI? Okay, so those questions you have now. Let's start about the what is Power BI. Okay, and for me also to explain more and more concepts in that. Okay, so guys, tell me if you know what is Power BI. Just simple words. I don't want the big words or something. If you know just Power BI, something words. Okay, you just say if you know Power BI what is. If you don't know, no problem. I will tell you. Or if you want to type something, okay. If you are unable to share through voice, you can share with the text. Okay, what is Power BI? Okay, no problem, guys. I'll explain you. Okay, so guys, Power BI in the name itself, if you observe BI, okay, BI stands for business intelligence. Okay, business intelligence. Why this term coming? I'll tell you. First thing, the first point, guys, Power BI was introduced by Microsoft company. Thank you for that. Okay, so let me introduce again the Power BI. So Power BI stands for the business intelligence. Okay, and Power BI was introduced by Microsoft company. So it's called Microsoft Power BI also. Okay, so mostly Power BI is a business intelligence and business intelligence and reporting tool, okay, which helps to connect multiple data sources, okay, multiple data sources, and based on the data based on the data we can create we can create interactive interactive reports and dashboards to the business. Okay, so this is the complete definition of Power BI, guys. Okay, so let me tell you complete definition we are going to discuss. So first thing, as I said, right, when we want to create any report or dashboard to the business, the advantages of that is, okay, to take the decisions. Okay, for example, we have Flipkart, Amazon, some e-websites, e-commerce we have, right? So daily some transactions are going and all, okay, some sales is going on, okay, but by each month or every week wise, or they require one report, okay, how my previous month sales, okay. So though based on that they need one report or dashboard kind of thing, okay. So then easily they can identify which products are sold more, okay, frequently, and which are not sold. So what they will do, they will give some offer on those products, okay. So like this, whenever we get this big billion days, some months, right, why means because they want to increase their sales, okay. So to identify those kind of the sales growth, okay, we require to make a one report or dashboard to the business, okay. So for that daily monitoring reports also few are there. So that's why each company need this Power BI tool, which they want to monitor their business as daily basis, as hourly basis, as minute base, okay. So then they can easily take the decisions, because guys, why I'm telling you, this is visualization tool also. Visual, I'm telling you why. Here everything using like a bar charts, pie charts, okay, we are going to create, okay. That visual representation will give you more information, okay, more information. Why I'm telling you, see guys, whenever, for example, if you are working in a company, okay, your manager asked you about how my sales, okay, in the last 12 months, okay, make a report, make a one document and give to me. What you do, you will make a one word document or ppt something, okay, you will make and give it to him, okay. And they want to, okay, see that, and they need to read something size words. They want to read it and analyze the numbers and do that, okay. Instead of that, if you just give in a one visual, the complete storytelling, we can say the complete story with the images, okay, we are giving visually image wise, okay. So that will give you more interactive to them, okay. So because they want to filter something, they want to see something, right? So everything we can create in a report view. So that's the advantages of Power BI, guys, okay. So the first step I want to tell you, the main components the main components in Power BI are: first one, Power BI desktop, and second one, Power BI service, and the third one, Power BI mobile apps, okay. So now I'm telling you mobile apps, I'll tell you. Okay, see guys, Power BI desktop is a completely free software, okay. It's free software, any user can download from the browser, whoever having the laptop, and they can start the developing, okay. Means complete development work we will do it in Power BI desktop only. Okay. Power BI service is a paid version, guys. Okay. Once your work is done, you want to uh, you want to share your work to the clients means you have to need some licenses. For example, uh, when we want to see any movie, right, we have to purchase that prime account, right, some monthly, because we are the users and we want to see means we have to pay some amount to view that. Same here also, Power BI service is the one of the platform, same like Amazon Prime. Okay, whenever we want to view the data, we have to pay the amount. Okay, so you understood, right? Power BI mobile apps is nothing but some people want to view the same thing in the mobile format. Okay, so these are the three steps, guys. In that first main important thing is Power BI desktop only. Okay, because complete development work as a BI developers, we need to learn in the Power BI desktop one. Okay, how to download? The main important thing is how to download this software. Okay, completely easy, guys. I will tell you Microsoft Power BI. You can go to the Google, just search it, Power BI desktop, Power BI desktop download. Okay, you just type it. The first website it will come. You just go here, and if you go to down, there is a option called a download. Okay, so you just click on this download option. There will be a one pop-up window, you have to choose that. Okay, file format, for example, if your system means your PC is 64-bit, your laptop configuration, or if it is 32-bit, first one you need to select. If it is 64-bit, you have select and click on the download option. After downloading, you just open that software, next button, the Power BI desktop will download it. Okay, now after downloading, how it look like means I'll tell you. If you just search it here, Power BI, see, Power BI desktop, this logo, okay, will come. You can just open this tool.
And
This
exactly, I have a one query regarding the Power BI.
mm,
So
mm,
how to
mm,
get all the data? For example, just we have to maybe upload all the manual data on the Power BI, or maybe it will be automatically integrate, or maybe we can integrate with the different tool. For example, exactly, I am from the cloud or a DevOps background, right? And
yeah,
I want to a proper maybe report of the maybe Azure billing or maybe AWS billing. So maybe how to
mm.
integrate, or maybe how can get all the data.
Exactly. That's what I want to tell you. Here, if you see, let me open the tool. Okay, I want to show you that only. First step.
Yeah, okay, thank
First step is the heart of the Power BI is to connect to the data. Okay, so it will help you to connect to multiple data sources. As I said, right, data source is nothing but a maybe you know you just maybe I'm just telling you one more time. Data source is nothing but a where the company is storing the data in the form of either cloud databases or normal databases. Okay, or Excel files, file format, anything. Okay, for example, we are storing our images in the mobile, right? Okay, that is image is also one of the storage thing, right? So same like, but companies will maintain the data because bulk volume, right, they will do one of the databases. Okay, Power BI has a very huge functionality to connect to multiple data sources. Okay, so let me open first of all. Whenever you open Power BI desktop file, right, you just click on the blank report. Okay, so once if you click on the blank report, you just always compare with the Excel over here. Okay, I'm telling you, it's few concepts is similar for Excel, but not all. Okay, so first of all, first step when we want to connect to data. Okay, data means you have to develop some reports means first is this white canvas you are seeing, right? Okay, this is nothing but a where we can do the development part. Okay, we can create the different visualizations. For example, I want to create a some pie chart. Okay, you clicked on here under visualizations, you can see different kind of the visuals. Okay, so I will tell you one by one in the later, but I want to create one pie chart over here. Okay, but this pie chart need to show the date, to show the some values, something means we needed data. But here if you see in the right side, there is a option called data. Okay, but right now I have not downloaded any data, means I have not integrated any data to the Power BI desktop. Okay, so first step is to connect to data. That step we will call it as a get data option. If you go to the home button, there is a option called get data. Okay, if you click on this option, there is a option called in the downside more. Okay, you click on that option. Here, by using Power BI desktop, we can connect to multiple data sources. Why I'm telling you multiple, this word is like, for example, file. Okay, if our data means, for example, take an example, India country. Okay, India gave one contract to the one of the company. Please research on how many in each state wise, how many female count, how many male count, how many children, age wise. They want some counts. Okay, now if we go to the each state, okay, how many having the voter IDs, how many not having. Okay, so they want some information about that. Okay, now the contract team what will do, they will send each person to each state to collect the data. Okay, now what they will do to first, for example, let's assume they went to Mumbai, for example, means Maharashtra. They are maintaining, the government maintaining the data in the form of maybe database. One is SQL Server database they are maintaining. Okay, some other state, okay, for example Kerala, okay, they are maintaining in IBM. Okay, some other state means Karnataka, they are maintaining in SAP. Okay, some other state they are maintaining in Amazon. Okay, it depends on, okay, because their feasibility, they will give each state their own bidding, right? They will give to one of the companies. Okay, to maintain their people's data, means their government entire data. Okay, so those first they will get the access. Okay, means to connect to this Amazon Redshift or something, we need the server credentials, right, and access permissions. Okay, so those, after getting that, what we need to do, for example, if I want to connect to the SQL Server database, click on it, just connect it. Okay, after connecting, already the person got the credentials, right? So they will go and they will understand the functional things, like for example, if they are using something databases access, what are the tables inside that we require, everything they will discuss and get it. Okay, so now first step is we have to pass those URLs and we have to select the data. Okay, now I am giving one example. I have, for example, I want to connect it to Excel workbook. Okay, so I have already one of the Excel sheet in my local. Okay, for example, I have list of the customers data. Okay, I want to make a one report based on this data. Okay, how I can load this data into my Power BI file. Okay, let's go to the Power BI and connect to Excel workbook. It will navigate to my browser. Just click on the list of customer and open it. One pop-up window will open. Okay, don't worry guys, I'm just giving you idea, we will discuss thoroughly in the upcoming classes also. Okay, this is first demo class only, right? So that's why. So I'm just click on the customer table. Okay, after clicking that, we can see the preview option. This we will call it as a preview. You can see all the columns inside this table, and if you want to load, okay, in downside we have the options: load, transform data, cancel. Once if you click on the load option, so guys, once we click on the load option, observe under data, the customer table is loaded. And if you expand, there is a small arrow icon. If you expand this under customer table, what are that columns are there? It will show. Okay. So now there is a options over here. If you see, there are four views. This is nothing but a report view, and second one is a table view. Third one is a model view. What the fourth one is a DAX. Guys, in Power BI, we need to learn one query language, that is DAX. Okay, data analysis expression means we can do more analysis things. Means sometimes we want to create a few functions, okay, few calculations, but that we can use the functions. Okay, we have to learn these DAX queries also. Okay, next, if we have to see the data inside of this customer table, we have to select this table view format. Click on this. See, now you can see the data table view format. And if you want to go back to report view, click on that. Okay. Now data is ingested into Power BI, right? Now I want to see some visual representation of this data. Okay. For example, product wise, I want the item counts. Okay. Let me click on this. See, now automatically when I clicked on, it is showing, means I have some data on the products detail. For example, watch. Watch is the product. How many products count? I have five. Okay, means instead of reading this information, right? What products are more, what products are less, we can't judge easily, right? But by using this visual, you assume like a yes, this blue color is more compared to others, right? So then you can assume like, yes, watches are more in the store, mouses are less, and very less product what, mobiles. Means mobiles is sold more, okay, compared to the watches, exactly, right? So to take the decisions like this, so I'm just giving you idea, guys, this is not the same one, but in real time also same thing. The sales are more, which product is sold more, which product is less, okay. So we can assume, we can create one dashboard like this, so it will give you more storytelling to the business to take the better decisions, okay. Understood? Any doubt up to here? How to, the first step in Power BI desktop, guys. Power BI desktop is a completely free software. As I shown you, just go to Google, search Power BI desktop download, and there is a download option will come. Click on that. If it is 64-bit or 32-bit, just click on that and download it. Okay. After downloading, you just open the tool. Okay. It will take some time. Don't click on multiple times. For the first time, it will take 2 to 3 minutes to open like this. Okay. Once it is opened, this white color panel is nothing but a development area. Okay. We have the sections over here, visualization sections and data sections. Okay. Under data sections, the first part is we have to connect it to data. Okay. We can connect, that's why Power BI is most popular. I want to tell you guys, if you see in the under get data option, if you click on more, we can connect to multiple data sources. Why I'm telling you, file format also we can connect. Under file, Excel file, text file, PDF file, SharePoint folder, okay, JSON. And if you go to the database, SQL database, IBM, Oracle, PLSQL, MySQL, Sybase, Teradata, Amazon Shift. See now we have the plenty. Okay. And next, if you go to Microsoft Fabric products, and if you go to the Power Platform products, Azure, if you want to connect Azure SQL database, Azure Synapse, all Azure products over here, and online services also, Salesforce Object, Azure DevOps. Okay, you can connect to multiple data sources over here. Okay, and other also you can check. Okay, so these are the options. Okay, we can connect to multiple data sources. That's why it is more popular, guys. Okay, now as I said, we can combine, okay, multiple. For example, as I said, country wise we want to create one report, means we can connect it to each country one database, and we can combine all the data, and based on that we can make a one report. Okay, total country wise, how many female count, how many male count, how many are eligible for polling next year. Okay, so based on their birthday they will calculate those things. Okay, so some survey kind of thing. Okay, so this is the complete intro about the Power BI, guys. Okay, Power BI desktop, most of the work we are going to do it in here only. Okay, any doubt, guys, up to here? The main advantages of Power BI is to connect to multiple data source, and based on the data we can create the interactive reports and dashboards. Okay, don't worry, this is first demo class only. That's why I don't want to give more and more now. Only we can learn one by one in the upcoming classes. And if you want course content, we have the course content also. You can ask with them, or if you want, they will provide you the link of the course content. Okay, let me tell you, if you want course content also. Okay, guys. See now, Power BI. First, what we are going to discuss about the download thing. Okay, how to install the Power BI desktop and how we can connect it to Power BI desktop. Okay, different data sources. As I said, how we can get data from SQL Server, get data from SSAS source, how we can connect from Excel and multiple Excel sheets, how we can get data from text files. Okay, how we can load the data from multiple data sources. Okay, after connecting to the data, we have to do some transformations in the sense changes in the data. Okay, maybe sometimes the columns are not proper data contains. Okay, joins we have to use, pivot. Okay, there are some things we have to do. Okay, those we will call it as a transformations, data type changes, combining multiple tables, enter data, formatting cells. Okay, format dates. Okay, we want to create, okay, few more dates, like a month wise we want, means we have only date column, but we have to extract a day, year, month, right? So how we are going to extract those? Okay, next is working with the visualizations, very important section. What is area chart, what is bar chart, column chart, table? Okay, so if you see here, we have different visualizations. Okay, this is bar chart, this is stacked column chart. Okay, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, 100% stacked bar chart, here pie chart, and here it is donut chart, here it is scatter chart, okay, here map visual, tree map, this is slicer, gas visual, donut chart, R script visual, Python script. Means by using the script also we can create the visuals. Okay. So these are the all kind of the visuals. Okay, we have. So and apart from this, if you want to more visuals also, if you click on here, there is a get more visuals also option we have. Okay. So we can get it from the Microsoft site. Okay. So these are the options mainly for the visualizations. Okay. Next thing, Power BI filters. Okay, types of filters what we have. Okay, what is filter? And I will tell you guys. Okay, for example, main example is whenever you want to doing any transactions. Okay, you want to check only last 1 month the transactions. Okay, you are applying some filter right in the old data, so some particular month you want to go and check it. Okay, you're checking like that. Next, Power BI calculation fields. This is very important. Here we need the DAX language. Okay, when we want to create calculated columns, calculated measures, calculated tables, conditional columns. Okay, next is dashboard. What is dashboard? And each concept we are going to discuss in the advanced level. Okay, once if we complete the basic, we go with these concepts. Okay, working with the dashboards, sharing our work after done our report creation, how we are going to share our work to the end users, means clients. Okay, how we can subscribe provide to them. Okay, what are the DAX functions mainly we are going to discuss? Aggregate functions, date functions, logical functions, math functions, string functions, trigonometric functions. Okay, so next is FAQs, interview questions if you want, and I'll give you one of the real time project in the end of the class. Okay, the complete course is 45 days guys. We are going to complete 45 days, Monday to Friday, week off, Saturday Sunday no class. Okay, each day whatever completed the topic I will provide you in the same class. If there is any interview question and the important topic in the real time what we face it. Okay, each day class only I will analyze and tell you that only immediately. Okay, and then each week, I mean every week, once we complete the all the topics in that week, I will give you one assignment to you. Saturday, Sunday, you should practice and create one of the some visualizations or reports, whatever we complete. If it is related to DAX, if it is related to data modeling, if it is related to anything, okay. So that you have to complete one assignment, okay. And every day we have the doubts clarification. If you have any doubt previous day or the same day, you can ask at any time. Okay. So this is the complete thing, guys. And moreover, I can help you how the market is going for Power BI. Ma'am, is there any other technology or what are the roles I can apply? You have these doubts, right? So in the market, we have vast BI developer positions openings. Only Power BI developer also we have Power BI plus SQL we have along, or Power BI plus Azure. If you are aware Azure also, those concepts also we have. Okay. It depends on which if you have that word Power BI, okay, you can apply that. And if you don't know other technology, you can tell them I will learn those concept also. Okay. So this is the way. And the market is because nowadays each and every company wants these reports and dashboards. Okay, so that's why there are multiple positions are opened in the outside, guys. So this is the complete picture about this. And today and tomorrow only demo sessions. After that paid link will change, means from tomorrow once you get the payment done, then only you will get the paid link, and each day recording session will be sent to you. Okay, so this is the complete overall view of the demo class, guys. If you have any doubts now, ask. Okay. Yeah, they are given here already. Any doubts, guys, you can feel free ask me, and the end of the class we can give one real time project work also. Okay, and if you need any help on resume building also, I can help you. Okay, so anything, Ajit, Bhargav, feel free to ask me. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thanks. Nothing from mine for
Okay,
now.
good,
Okay.
Ajit. Yeah, Bhargav, you have any doubts? You can type if you don't have any doubts, or you want to discuss later also, that is also fine. We can discuss.
No, madam, I'll clear.
Oh, very good, Bhargav. Thanks, guys, for the joining the class. You have taken very good decision to learn the Power BI because next to 10 to 15 years, this going to be very trend. Okay, but you have to be practice, guys. Okay, without practice, this because this is a tool. Okay, without practice and creating, you will not able to learn. Okay, after done the each day class, you should practice. Okay, so that's my suggestion. Okay, without practice, you will not able to learn 100%. Okay.
పవర్ బిఐ అండ్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ కి బాగా ఛాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మేడం.
ఎస్. పవర్ బిఐ ప్లస్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ కి బాగా ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ దట్ ఇఫ్ యూ లెర్న్ అజూర్ బేసిక్స్ ఆల్సో వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే.
ఓకే. బాగా ఎస్క్యూఎల్ కి పవర్ బిఐ బాగా హెల్ప్ మేడం. లేకపోతే ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఎంతవరకు
It's not like a mandatory SQL. Some depends on the project, Bhargav. Okay. Some project will use both SQL and Power BI because backend side, when you connect to SQL Server database is nothing but you want to test in Power BI, the data is coming from the source is correct or not. Okay. You want to do some calculation over there. Okay. You have to test it with the SQL query first. Okay. In the backend side. So then you can tell to the user we have data like that, so that's why the report also will show the same kind of data. So that kind of things means you should able to create your own tables, own views. Okay, so some joins, basics, at least basics, if you know, that would help you. Okay.
ఓకే మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah, thank you guys, then we will meet tomorrow class. Have
ఓకే
a
మేడం.
nice day. Thank
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.